What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Dustin Lansdale YouTube channel. Today we're out checking out the UAPI in Texarkana, or as everybody knows as U-Pull-It. We're looking for a valve cover, but while we're here we figured we'd video some of the old classic cars we could find out here on the lot and show y'all what they look like. And it's a shame that they come here, but we just take a look and see what we see. You know, I've never seen no videos. Yeah, is this the motor? Yeah, we're actually looking for a valve cover for a Ford, but we're just going to show some of the older cars that was here that are complete. Let's check out this Land Rover. Oh, the bumper off is... Oh, the motor's gone. It's a Chevy bumper, I know. The green paint on there, give it more horsepower. I think they was going a little too fast in their Chevy. That thing is totaled out. Ooh, bumpers on the ground. Here's this. Oh yeah, here's this Mazda I wanted. They won't sell cars out here though. It was complete last week. Somebody started stripping it. Was this 87? Oh, yep, 87.
Nice rim.
Got some nice rims on there. B2200. Rats got in it. That would have been a nice truck right there. The thing only had 140,000 miles on it.
Straight line.
It was like complete last week when I come out here. Like nothing had been touched. Dang. Found this old Ford F-250. Like a fire truck. Or a service truck. I done rolled the rear end out. Oh, it's got a gas motor in it. Not no diesel. Oh, some nice cars out here. And they get stripped. It's a 504. It's an 82, whatever it is. Oh, it's a Porsche. Oh, it's got a diesel in it, a 4-cylinder diesel.
Oh, dang.
Slant, that right there, I'd like to buy that and just fix it up. Made in France, US model. So that'd be something. It's a Porsche.
Oh.
You see the horse on the grill?
Oh, yeah.
Porsche station wagon? I didn't even know they made station wagon. It's 5-speed.
Benghazi.
Benghazi.
Yeah. Right now, Porsche.
This thing's only got 85,000 miles.
It's a Benghazi.
Look at these seats in there. Man, I wish I could buy something like that. They won't sell it though. That'd be...
That engine, though.
Look at the starter on that thing. Looks like it's off an 18-wheeler.
They will sell you that engine.
Dang. Sell you the engine, every part of it. You have to buy it in pieces, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's cool.